my name is Petra. I'm currently interning for my diploma in mass communication. I am the stage manager, where I will be managing almost everyone. Basically, everyone have to update me about their process and the work progress towards the performance day.
So my name is Sherllyn Sephrenia Sunny, and hopefully it's my last semester here. I'm doing my diploma in mass communication. So my upcoming role is a performer, and my emotion is frustration.
I'm Rainice, and I was alumni from mass comm department. I'm a performer as depression in Hilang by Request, so I'm actually looking forward for it.
So I am Derick Tan. I am currently finishing my bachelor's in media production. So in Hilang by Request, I've been tasked to be the assistant technical director for the show. That means I'll be working with Mr. Ian, and I'll be assisting him in anything related to the technical aspects of the performance.
I am Ian Barboza. I work here at UOW KDU Penang, Malaysia. Okay, so my sole job is to assist Mr. Maizul with the efficient running of the event from a technical standpoint.
My name is Maizul Affendy bin Baharudin. I'm a senior lecturer in UOW KDU. My role, I have a multiple role. First of all, I'm also a director and a performer, as well a design for the collateral items, graphics and so on. Going back to MCO during the COVID-19, that was my initial idea, that I really wanted to do a performance art, which I keep that idea too long. Hilang is from Rabak. Rabak means it's torn apart into pieces. So heal is about healing, and Lang is about losing. So that's combination between healing and losing. Because in COVID is our dark moment, right? Maybe there's a lot of people experience losing beloved one, losing their pets, losing their job, So losing is a period of time. Individuality experience it. So that is the moment I'm finding that I can't wait to hold this back. I have to perform, and I need to share. So it will relate to the scenario that we have gone through, the pandemic.
For me, because I lost quite a few loved ones during the pandemic, for example, my brother. So I do relate a lot to Mr. Maizul's story, because it was during the pandemic. You couldn't do a lot of stuff to help your family, and in a way you had to be strong for yourself, but at the same time you are battling with so many emotions that you just don't know what to do. So it's like the painting is like an outburst of like the emotions.
Hilang is special in the sense that it comes from a very personal story. The entire performance and the entire show is built on Mr. Maizul's personal experiences, his personal feelings, and I think it comes across very genuinely within the performance.
The function of Hilang is to raise awareness for mental health. I think that is a very good avenue. All right. Now I'm not going to give the plot away, but if you were to watch the show, you would understand, all right, what goes through the mind of an average human being, how we are tormented daily. What may be simple to some people could be really daunting to others. We do not know this. I do not know what's going on in your head. You do not know what's going on in mine.
So Hilang leaning towards mental health is actually an eye-opener. It happens to everyone. Mental health is really important. If your mental health is degrading, it's bad and you need to get help and stuff, but like the older generation cannot grasp that idea.
The most important is to let the audience know that it's okay, it's always fine to express yourself, even if it's a negative emotion. You don't have to always put the happiest part of you in front of everyone.
But for Hilang request, it's about charity. It's about that I want to do a little bit of contribution from this show. And yeah, I guess the moment that I have right now, I want to share, to do something good for those who are needed.
It's good because we are helping a family who is in need and who has like recently lost a deeply loved one, like the main breadwinner of the family. So giving to them the donations are actually very good because they need it.
Again, as you know, that Hilang is no longer become my personal work for this particular version, but again it's meant for society, so it will be broadened more, the objective, the content, in that sense.